Okay, well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Aulia Yuningrum from 6I of English Education Department, Raden Intan Islamic State University of Lampung. The Honorable Ms. Fahrunisa MPD is my lecturer in English for Specific Purposes class. Since I have tasked to review journal about my material, which is Freedom and Constraint as the teacher, I decided to choose the subtitle of this material, which is about heterogeneous classes. So in this very special occasion, I will review one journal which has the title Challenge and Strategies in Teaching English to Heterogeneous Classes. Okay, well, I will go with the first point. And this research was conducted in Polytechnic of Sriwijaya in Sumatra, which is explore the challenge faced by the teacher of English in higher vocational education. And it comes from two majors. The first major is engineering department, and the second major is commerce department. And the second point is about the aim of this journal. The aim or the purpose of this research is to provide suggesting solution for the English teacher in this institution. The study is conducted to investigate the answer of these two following questions. The first one is, what is the challenge in teaching English to heterogeneous classes in vocational institution? And the second question is about how to answer what is strategy are utilized by the teacher in order to cope with the challenge. Okay, the next part is about data collection. In this research, the researcher used individual depth interview and used the technique is purposive sampling, which is focused on group interview of teacher who teach English in different departments and analyzing using thematic analysis. And the next material is about the problem. This study revealed that the challenge faced of the teacher in English at Polytechnic of Sriwijaya in teaching English to their heterogeneous classes, which has the problem. Jadi karena siswanya memiliki perbedaan di antaranya seperti learning style, background knowledge, intelligence, and also English learning knowledge and English learning experience. So in this journal say that this challenge came both from engineering and commerce major. They required the teachers of English to apply differentiate instruction and proper classroom management. And the last point is about the finding. Based on the previous research, it said that the teacher of English are reported to have difficulties in pedagogy and developing learning materials in order to handle a level of their student English proficiency in their English foreign language teaching. And the second challenge is difficulties in focusing whose target learners. Are they the fast learners or the slow learners? Because in heterogeneous classes, sometimes as the teacher, when we teach, we only focusing on the slow learner, it will make the fast learner get bored. While when we focus on the fast learners, then the slower learners feel demotivated and confused as they left behind in understanding the English learning material in this class. Jadi terkadang sebagai guru kita sering melupakan fokus kita, mau fokus terhadap student yang penalarannya cepat atau penalaran yang lebih lambat. So in this case can be conclude that the effective strategy used to teaching English in heterogeneous classes is use collaborative learning activities, and also we can apply student centered creating the good atmosphere in learning environment. It's important to make our student feel more comfort. For example, like our student can feel more safe and they can be able to contribute their opinion in our class. Jadi semacam kita menerapkan tutor sebaya, jadi siswa yang lebih cepat nalar akan mengajarkan siswa yang lebih lambat penalarannya. Jadi siswa yang penalarannya cepat tidak akan merasa bosan, dan siswa yang penalarannya agak lambat akan lebih mudah memahami jika yang menerangkan adalah temannya sendiri. Okay, I think that's all about my explanation for this material. Thank you for your nice attention, and last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.